Welcome to Medical Health School. Today we are discuss about the pancreas. Where is the pancreas? The pancreas sits behind the stomach, the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, loops around the head of the pancreas. Definition: the pancreas, pan means all, creas mean flesh, is a gland that is partly exocrine and partly endocrine. The exocrine part secretes the digestive pancreatic juice. The endocrine part secretes hormone, for example, insulin. It is soft, lobulated, and elongated organ. Location: the pancreas lies more or less transversely across the posterior abdominal wall, at the level of first and second lumbar of vertebrae. The size and shape: it is J-shaped or retort shaped, set obliquely. The ball of retort represents the head and the stem of the retort, its neck, body, and tail. It is about 15 to 20 centimeter long, 2.5 to 3.8 centimeter broad, and 1.2 to 1.8 centimeter thick, and weighs about to 90 gram. Aorta: head, neck, body, tail. Uncrenate process: superior menstruatic vein and artery. The pancreas is divided into four general regions: the head, neck, body, and tail. The head can be further subdivided into head proper and uncrenate process. What helps pancreas function? The pancreas has digestive and hormonal function. The enzyme secreted by exocrine gland in the pancreas helps break down carbohydrates, fats, protein, and acid in the duodenum. These enzymes travel down the pancreatic duct into the bile duct in an inactive form. Can you survive without a pancreas? You can live without your pancreas, but you will have to take medicine to replace what it does in your body. What is the four type cells in islets of Langerhans? The islet of Langerhans contain four cell types that each secrete a different peptide. Alpha cell secrete glucagon, beta cell secrete insulin, delta cell secrete somatostatin, and P cells secrete pancreatic polypeptide. It is also called polypeptide cells. What is the main function of alpha cells? The alpha cell secretes glucagon as a response to low blood glucose. The major function of glucagon is to release glucose from the glycogen stores in the liver. What is the main function of beta cells? Beta cells are the cells that make insulin, a hormone that controls the level of glucose, a type of sugar in the blood. Beta cells are found in the pancreas within a cluster of cells known as islets. What is the main function of delta cells? The delta cells produce somatostatin and strong inhibitor of somatotropin, insulin, and glucagon. Its role in metabolic regulation is not yet clear. Somatostatin is also produced by the hypothalamus, functions and there to inhibit secretion of growth of hormone by the pituitary gland. What is the main function of F cells? Pancreatic polypeptide cells. Polypeptide cells, or formerly as a gamma cells, Y cells, or F cells, are also in the pancreatic islets of Langerhans of the pancreas. Their role is to help synthesize and regulate the release of pancreatic polypeptide (PP), after which they have been named. Disease of pancreas. There are a variety of disorders of the pancreas, including acute pancreatitis, chronic pancreatitis, hereditary pancreatitis, and pancreatic cancer. And pancreatitis occurs when digestive enzymes become activated while still in the pancreas, irritating the cells of your pancreas and causing inflammations. With repeated bouts of acute pancreatitis, damage to the pancreas can occur and lead to chronic pancreatitis. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.